Alright, here's my documentation of my installation of the Bioshield UV system. I did this to replace an old one that was not holding. The number is 522635 model. Here's the pool. This is the old unit. The problem was we were bursting out of the top connection there. Here's the setup. So, over here is the unit. The new unit comes with a 2.5-inch connection. You're not going to find 2.5-inch pipes in any hardware store. They do come with a step down to a 2-inch. So for the top section, 2.5 to 2-inch pipe. Added this 2-inch T connector for the flow switch, which is new to the unit compared to the old one. They supplied a 2.5-inch T set for the new unit. However, you would need 2.5 pipe to connect the two. Down at the bottom, we did a step down from 2.5 to 2 to 1.5. 1.5-inch pipe, coupler, a 90-degree turn, and then connected to the filter. As far as the electric connections, it's not completely clear from the directions, but you're supposed to connect it to the load 1 and load 2. So I connected it to the filter pump right there. So let's see, one of the black wires goes to the L1 and the white wire to L2, and there's a green wire that's going to ground. You also have to strip down the wire a bit to be able to connect to all those. Here's the ballast. The ballast also has two wires coming out actually on this side, and one connects to a connection that leads to back there with the flow switch. Alright. That's basically it. Did all my connections with OD Fusion cement. So far getting a good result. Thanks for watching.